Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach. Not saving or game progress not saving on PC. If your game is not saving properly, first check your Windows security settings. Open Windows settings, go to Privacy and Security, or Update and Security, then click on Windows Security. Now open Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and click on Manage Ransomware Protection. After that, click on Allow an app through controlled folder access. Click Yes if prompted. Now click on Add an allowed app, then choose Browse all apps. Go to the game installation folder. If you are using Steam, go to C Drive, Program Files x86, Steam Apps, Common, then open the Death Stranding 2 folder. If you are using Epic Games, go to the folder where the game is installed. Now select the game.exe file and click Open to add it. Next, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and open it. Go to System and Security, then click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Change Settings, select Allow another app, and click Browse. Again, go to the game installation folder, select the game.exe file, click Open, then click Add. If you are using any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, or McAfee, make sure to allow the game executable there as well. If the issue still continues, go to the game folder, right-click on the game.exe file, and select Run as Administrator. After that, launch the game and check. You can also find your save game files inside the Documents folder on your PC. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.